I think the world needs herbal medicine. It's safe, it's effective, and it's in harmony with nature. My name is Helen Vegadon. I'm the director of Core College in Castlecomer, County Kilkenny, and we're an adult training centre. Our major activity is around herb growing and herbal medicine.
This college is definitely unique in the way we do our training because we really come at healing from a proper holistic point of view.
It has a beautiful blend between online learning, face-to-face learning, and true practical learning within the teaching clinic.
I came to the program from an interest in naturopathy in particular. I am a yoga teacher and have been studying Ayurveda for a long time. And I decided that I wanted to dive deeper into the herbal medicine side of things.
You know, America, we really don't have any schools for herbalism that are quite this quality, and that was what attracted me to this school, was just how in-depth the program is.
I've been studying herbal medicine now for about a year at Core College, and I've been learning so much about different plants and different tinctures and herbs that you can make.
So I really loved the Iridology component of this course in particular. I felt like that was something that was unique about this program that most other naturopathy and herbalism programs didn't offer.
I think Iridology can change people's lives and their perspective on the whole idea of the body-mind connection. So that's probably one of the best things that I've learned here at the school.
We're here to help each other. It's not a competitive course. We're all in this learning journey together.
The campus is beautiful. The old building has been restored in a way that's just, the vibe here is really awesome. It's super positive. There's lots of light in.
The real benefit, I think, of the campus here at Castlecomer is the garden.
We have fantastic gardeners, Heiko and Klaus, and they're just fountains of knowledge when it comes to growing.
I think it's just incredible to have a big medicinal garden and being able to actually connect with the plants, which is something that I personally haven't found in other schools.
Not only are you learning about the herbs and learning how to prepare the herbs, but you can go out and actually meet the herbs and meet them growing. And I think you get a deeper connection with them then.
If there was one thing I could say about herbal medicine, it would be the world really needs it, and it's a very meaningful career.